Before star writing in Bloopers, Abby Hatcher Studio Rye 1987 Cats Like It Nickelodeon. Let's start. Cut. The effect is not supposed by G major 7 is supposed by normal. Take 2. Cut. Why there Cartoonito on there? This is not Cartoonito. This is Rye 1987. Take 3. Cut. Bonnie Blueberry. What are you doing here?
Sorry. I won't see how it's made.
I don't time to talk to you right now. Please leave the studios.
Whatever you say.
All right, take 4. Cut. The camera is not supposed to zoom in the black city. I can't see cats and all. Take 5. Cut. Daisy slides when the bottle is their BFF. Crybabies just interrupt this. It cannot do that. Take 6. Cut. Mending of life is not supposed in the background. Is supposed in the background. Rye 1987 original. Take 7. Cut. Franny is not supposed by here. Take 8. Cut. Charlie he hurt himself on foot. Unicorn horn baby alive just interrupt this. It can't do that. Take 9. Cut. The image is not supposed by black and white is supposed by normal. Take 10. Last finish. Great job.